Food production is all about precision. Precise recipes, precise processes, precise control at every stage. And water is one of the first things on that list. It goes into the product itself, is used for equipment washing, and affects the taste, consistency, and shelf life. That's why water quality requirements in food manufacturing are exceptionally high. What do we most commonly find in water supplied to production facilities? High hardness. It causes scale and shortens equipment lifespan. Iron. It changes the color and taste of the product. Chlorine and chlororganics. They affect microbiology and aroma. Mechanical impurities. They settle in equipment, wear out pipelines, and risk contaminating the final product. And these are just some of the parameters that need to be controlled. Every facility works with specific water of a specific composition and has its own process requirements for water quality. That's why a water treatment scheme is always designed individually and may include mechanical filtration, iron removal, ion exchange, reverse osmosis, and other equipment depending on the task. Litech Aqua manages the entire process, from developing the technical scheme to manufacturing the equipment, installation, commissioning, and ongoing maintenance. Our systems are built for reliable operation in real production conditions with minimal staff involvement, convenient automatic control, and remote access and monitoring capabilities. Our team's experience in water treatment for the food industry spans over 10 years of real projects and implemented solutions. We know what works and will find the right solution for your facility. For viewers of this video, we have a special offer. Use promo code YouTube26E to get a discount on your order. Ask our manager for details.